Sage Accounting for Beginners UK. So pretty much a beginner's guide on how to use Sage Accounting over here. So first you're gonna have to get started. Of course, if you're UK, it's pretty much the same process as anything else. So you can sign up and pick your plan. So if you do have an account, you can directly log in the top right corner over here in their website. But if you don't, then you can just create an account. You can go to the Sage UK website in your preferred browser, then you can choose your plan from over here. So as you can see over here, you can log into the Sage product that you have or that you want. Once you do that, you can enter your business details like configuring your company name, address, fiscal year, and VAT registration details if it is applicable. So you can set up your bank account connections to bank statements that can be ported or reconciled. You can also set up contacts and chart of accounts if you like, and invoicing expenses and receipts. So other than that, there's also VAT and tax filling. So if VAT registered, ensure your plan supports maxing tax digital MTDs. You are making sure that it is compatible for VAT submissions. So as you can see, Sage for Accountants pretty much offers practice tools that covers all your accounting needs from proposals to advisory. So you can pretty much use Sage as a co-pilot and automation. You can use their AI-powered features like the co-pilot, as we mentioned, and to help with tasks, reminders for payments, insights on overdue invoices, automatic suggestions based on your receipts. But so UK-based sole tracker or small businesses who need solid, reliable accounting with VAT and compliance, Sage Accounting is very much worth it if you're starting small. The start plan gives you enough to handle invoicing, expenses, bank reconciliation. So just go ahead and choose the exact tool that you want. And of course, it's available for Sage over here. So if you want people over here, you can do that. You can try. There are pretty much demos over here. So just go ahead and open to Sage Accounting over here. As you can see, Sage Accounting, you can do so to try it out, since most of its features and more you can learn is directly here when you open the specifics section of the website. Here we have Sage 50 Accounting. You'll be able to see what it can do and most of its features like controlling your cash flow, streamline your banking, control job cost, and pretty much lots more. So again, you can try it for free over here. You can see plans and pricing if you wanna go ahead and do it. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.